Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Showwan. So, ayan ang ating fountain. Napakaganda nga guys yung ating fountain. So, ilang ano yan? Level 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 3, 4. Yung pinakatuktok. Shout out everyone. The view of the fountain. Ayan, connected yan, fountain hanggang dyan. 1, 2, 3. Mayroon sa baba. Yan yung panorama. The sign of panorama is over there. Sun, the sun of the words. There's the tower of ano yan, ambot. Hindi ko alam kung anong tower yan guys. Ito yung Millennium. Yan, may clock. Tapos ito yung Costco Tower. Shout out guys. Malaki yung Millennium, no? Yan, yung tower yun. Oh, shout out guys.